Mode of DNA replication in E. coli is option A conservative and unidirectional, option B semi-conservative and unidirectional, option C semi-conservative and bidirectional, or option D conservative and bidirectional. The correct answer would be option C. The combination of semi-conservative and bidirectional replication allows E. coli to efficiently and accurately replicate its DNA, ensuring that each daughter cell receives a complete set of genetic information during cell division. This mechanism also facilitates rapid replication, which is crucial for the fast growth and reproduction of bacteria.